ba ay, you may refuse to answer. Ikaw ba ay dalaga o may asawa?
Ano po yun, sir?
Ikaw ba ay may asawa o dalaga?
Single mom po.
Single mom. So, Miss Ronaldine, meron kang sasakyan.
Meron po.
Pwede bang malaman ano sasakyan mo?
Honda City po. Second hand lang po.
Honda City. Okay. Wala ka bang Ferrari?
Wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Opo.
Oh, the video. Here's the video of the so, sino may-ari nung sasakyan na Ronaldine? Ronaldine ba siya? Yan, pwede ba pakita yun sa sinong may-ari nung sasakyan? Miss Ronaldine, sino may-ari nung sasakyan?
Please answer the question of Congressman Barbers, Ronaldine.
Hindi ko po nakikita, Your Honor. Okay po pa.
Pwede ka bang lumapit dito para ipakita ko sa ito?
The resource person is requested to approach Congressman Barbers.
Okay, hindi pa wala tayo suspended. Ano? So, okay, can you kindly proceed, Congressman Barbers? Probably will not be showing the other video anymore because,
Yes, Mr. Chair, I agree. Siguro we'll just provide the committee copies of the videos.
sabihin na lang sa COMSEC para...
for our record.
Sige, okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Yes,
Yes, that's the next
you can proceed.
The next question na itatanong natin doon, nakita mo yung video, ikaw ba yung nasa video?
Yes po.
Ikaw din yung nagda-drive ng Ferrari.
Opo.
So, she admitted, Mr. Chair, that she's the one driving the vehicle. And the vehicle that she was driving is apparently, sinong may-ari ng vehicle?
Si Mr. Cruz po.
Mr.
Mr. Cruz.
Name.
What's the full name of Mr. Cruz?
Ruperto Cruz po.
Ruperto Cruz. Anong relationship mo kay Mr. Ruperto Cruz?
Parang friends lang po.
Friends lang, ha? Sige, Mr. Chair, I'll get back to her later. Let me just proceed. Let me proceed to my next question to another resource person, Mr. Chair.
So, friends, is he not the father of your son?
Hindi po.
Hindi, ah.
So,
Sige, go ahead.
okay, so babalikan ko na lang si Miss Baterno.
Balikan natin.
Okay.